It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make painted magnet sticks. Making these is a great creative activity in itself, but the magnet sticks are also fun to play and create with. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for painted magnet sticks are jumbo wood craft sticks, watercolor paint, permanent markers, and magnet discs. And we use the peel and stick kind, but you can also use the kind that you'll need glue for. Let's set up for success. To prepare for the best possible experience with these painted magnet sticks, you'll want to protect your work surface with a waterproof tablecloth or an art mat or tray. Let's create. To begin, doodle or draw on the wood craft sticks with the permanent markers. Next, paint the craft sticks with watercolor paint, painting directly over your drawings. Attach the magnet discs to the back of the craft sticks, one at each end. Now, you can play with your magnet sticks on the fridge or on any magnetic surface. You can use them to build, to make roads, to create art, to write words, to make shapes, to create frames around paper artworks, and more. I hope you enjoy this activity.
It's time